How to add money to PayPal. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add money to PayPal. To add money to your PayPal account, you can use either a debit card or a confirmed bank account. Adding money with a debit card is instant, while using a bank account typically takes 3 to 5 business days. To add funds through PayPal's website, go to your wallet, click on Transfer Money, and select Add Money from your bank or debit card. Then enter the amount you wish to add. You can choose in seconds with debit card for an instant transfer or 3 to 5 days with your bank for a standard transfer. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.